What's up, YouTube? I'm gonna give you guys an update on my training journey, where I'm at, and also give you guys an update on a few plays that I was in last week and the current play that I'm in this week. And it's supposed to expire next week though. So to start things off, man, I've been training for 7 years, and beginning of my journey, everything was good. I was making money. I got into the stock market during COVID when everything was low. And so, and then after that, I was making a lot of money, and then I jumped into options, and then literally options is the only thing I struggled with. So once I discovered options, man, my account just started tanking down. I started losing a lot of money. So options is very risky, but you're able to make thousands of dollars in a few seconds. And you know what I'm saying, and I just got stuck with chasing fast money, and I would not consider myself a profitable day trader, but I would consider myself a profitable like long-term trader or swing trader, because so with the stock market, it's actually really simple. Like, you just find a good company stock. And also, before you guys invest, know that I want to tell you guys, like, do not invest with money that you guys work hard for, meaning money that you get from your job, your 9 to 5, or whatever job you're working, because once you lose that money, it hits even harder. So make sure when you guys are trading or investing, make sure you guys invest with side hustle money that's extra, and don't invest, or you know what I'm saying, trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. And so currently what I'm working on is just stacking up my consistent wins on selling call credit spreads, which for the month I'm up like $300 and something. And so I'm finding myself being more consistent with selling call credit spreads. So currently that's what I'm doing right now. And I usually just try to trade 1 or 2 stocks. And so when Tesla goes down to like 300, I buy a few shares and just hold on to it and wait for it to go back up, because the stock is very volatile. So that's why I like to trade Tesla, because I like the volatility of it, because you can make your money more quicker. So with me, man, I just like fast money. So with Tesla, it's like I'm almost like options trading, but options trading is way more riskier. You can lose everything that you put up. With regular trading, say if you buy like 1 share of Tesla for like at the price of 320, if it goes to 340, that's a $20 move. You make $20. So, but if you're options trading, man, you can lose thousands or you can make thousands. You know what I'm saying? And it's like if you buy 1 call option, it's like you have 100 shares of a stock. Or if you sell it, if you place a put for one options trade, that's like saying you're shorting the market for 100 shares. So it's like you're playing with 100 shares of Tesla. So make sure before you guys jump into options, man, just know the risk, man. A lot of risk involved. And I'm not gonna lie, at the beginning of my journey, I was making a lot of money. I discovered options trading, and I've been stuck, because it's like I also struggle with revenge trading, where you just chasing your losses. So I just dug myself in a deeper hole, and so I took a long break from options trading, and then recently I just deposited $1,000 on my Robinhood account, and then I deposited 1,000 on my Webull account. So trying to get back into investing again the right way, and just reset my mind. And sometimes I find myself still placing some options trade, you feel me? But I've lost money, but it wasn't like as much. So basically, the money I made from regular trading or from selling call credit spreads, I've lost some of that money, but I'm still up. So I'm still up like 300 to 350 in this month. But I could have had like up to $600 in profit. But like I said, I used some of it already to place options, and sometimes I do feel like quitting options completely because it's just it's messing with my progress. Like every time I see myself making progress again and just buying a stock, holding it, waiting for it to go up, and then trading options, and it kind of like messes with my gains. But oh yeah, and another advice I will give you guys is that during the bull market, a lot of times the stock dips, and when you guys buy a dip, this is a strategy, but it works really well during the bull market. So when the stock dips, you guys buy some, just wait for it to go up, and bam, you make money, sell it, and just rinse and repeat. And that's what I've been doing. That's what I've been doing to make some profits, you feel me? But it's not a lot. Like I said, with options, it's like you have 100 shares of the stock, which you can make a lot more way faster. And then that's why I'm attracted to doing options. With regular trading, like sometimes like within like a week or 2 weeks, I barely make like a few $100s. But you probably, the only thing I'm missing is probably more capital. Like if I was to invest more money, I'd probably make more money. But as of right now, I'm taking it slow, just not trying to risk as much as I was doing before, because most of my money I literally lost it in options. So now I'm just trying to get back to investing, but not taking as much risk as I used to. But yeah, so with options is very risky, so you guys be careful. So the current strategies that I'm working on is breakouts and continuation patterns. I'm still not profitable at it, but that's the strategies that I'm working on to basically figure out. Hopefully one of these days, man, something clicks and I'll figure it out. And so now I'm thinking about just taking a complete break from just options trading and just focusing on what's working. And so what's working for me right now is selling call credit spreads and buying regular shares of Tesla. And right now I have like 200 shares of Snapchat. We'll see how that does. But yeah, so with the play I was in last week, I stopped making updates on that play. But yesterday I had closed the position for like $40. And also I deposited another 1,000 to my Robinhood account because I see myself being more consistent selling call credit spreads, or I'll probably sell some put credit spreads also. But as of right now, the stock market is like all-time highs and everything went up. We had a crazy bull run, and I'm thinking the market will probably take a break, you feel me? So right now, I'm just looking for Tesla to either consolidate or not break my strike price or go down, you feel me? So as long as it doesn't go above 385, I'll be able to make $185 by next week. Yeah, so like a week and a half. So it's not next Friday, the Friday after that Friday. So I'll be able to make 100, like close to 200. And so what I did was I seen Tesla run up to like 350. So I had placed this play. I sold, I think, 5 call credit spreads at the strike price of 385, and I had 4 call credit spreads at the strike price of 375, and that was supposed to expire this week, and it was only supposed to make me $70. And yesterday what I did was I closed that position for a $40 profit. And then what my plan was, if Tesla kept going up, probably place another play and sell like 3 call credit spreads at the strike price of like 400. And so if Tesla pulls back, I would make money from the 400, selling the call credit spreads at the 400 strike price. And when I see Tesla pull back, I'll make like like a couple of dollars from that play and just sell it real quick and leave the play I'm in currently, because I think I got into this play around when Tesla was around like 345, 348 area. And so right now the play is currently up like I think $40. But yeah, I'm gonna share the screen with you guys. How much the play is up. And so yeah, so the play is probably up like 40, $50 right now. And yeah, so if Tesla continues to go down, I'll be able to profit from this play. And if Tesla consolidates, I still make money. These doing selling call credit spreads is kind of risky, but you're picking your strike price and picking when to get out. Like, so recently I had like one losing trade where I only lost $100. So I'm risking $100 on my plays. If Tesla shoots up and I'm down like $100, I usually close my position. Or if Tesla continues to go up and it's like getting close to expiration date, I usually just close the position. I don't want to risk because if you wait till expiration date, you will lose everything that you put up. So I put up like 1,000, and if I wait till next Friday expiration date, then I'll lose the whole 1,000. But like I said, I usually don't try to wait till expiration date. I try to close days before expiration date, especially if I see the stock running up. If the stock continues to go down, I just leave it, you feel me, as close as to expiration date. And if the stock tanks like crazy, I usually just leave it till expiration date so I can collect all the premium. That's what I've been doing, and I've been staying consistent. I've only had one losing trade so far, so I'm gonna focus on that because it's working for me. And also I'm gonna focus on buying regular stocks. So with Webull, man, with any trading app, they usually give you a margin account. So I have a margin account with Webull, and so I deposited $1,000, and I also have another $1,000 in there that was from like a long time ago, and it was around when the war had happened in like Pakistan. I don't really remember, but like this is way back then where like there was like a war that had started in the third world country. And this is why I stopped trading stocks, like any other stocks, any small stocks. I stopped trading them instead for like Snapchat, because I've been in trading Snapchat for like since the beginning, like for a long time. And so any other stocks, I really just stopped trading. I usually just trade big company stocks. My major play usually be Tesla. The reason why I only trade one or two stocks is because when you own a lot of stocks and a bear market comes, your account will get hit hard because you have all these stocks. So each stock will go down, and when you see each stock go down, bro, you're gonna lose money on all of them. That's why I usually only trade one stock. And you want to have capital, bro, just so you want to stack up as much money as you can. And if another bear market happens, man, you're going to be ready to go and make a lot of money, because when a bear market happens, that's when you're going to make the most money. And when we get back into a bull market, usually all you do is wait for a dip and buy it, and then wait for it to go back up. You know what I'm saying? And that's what I'm working on, because if I risk a lot of money now and a bear market comes, I'm gonna get myself in a deeper hole. And so I'm just trading Tesla and some Snapchat and selling call credit spreads on Tesla. I was gonna put in a play for Meta, which is Facebook, last week, and right before the play, I literally saw it take down, and I was like, damn, I could have caught that play. But yeah, so because Meta was approaching all-time highs, man, it was running up like crazy, especially after earnings. So with call credit spreads, I learned there's 2 times to not trade, man. To not sell call credit spreads or sell puts credit spreads. And that's around when the company's announcing earnings, or when Jerome Powell speaks, man. Those two news like move the markets like crazy. And the last time the market moved like crazy was when Jerome Powell spoke, and then when Tesla had earnings. So when around October, Tesla's gonna have another earnings, so I'm probably not gonna sell any call credit spreads. I usually wait till the day after earnings because that's when the stock will move like crazy, and then that's when I decide to place a bet on where it moved. So if it goes down like 20, 30, $40, I would probably sell a put at a sell put credit spreads. It gets kind of confusing, but yeah, sell put credit spreads at like a lower price. Usually, like, since the stock already moved like down like $30, $40, I probably bet like it won't go another 30, $20, and usually it plays out. That's how I have a high win rate. And so yeah, so that's what I've been doing, and everything been going good. So soon, man, though, I'm gonna start placing. Once I stack this wins up slowly, this little wins up, then I'm gonna get back into doing options. But before I even do that, man, I'm gonna make sure that I'm gonna keep practicing on the breakout strategy and the continuation pattern, and keep you guys updated, man. So hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace.